Alright, so we got the battery here and the inverter running this air conditioner, which actually draws quite a bit. This has been charging for a couple of days. It's like well charged. So on the AC side, we're pulling 4.6 amps to run the air conditioner. That's what the inverter is doing. So it shows me my load is 0.56 kilovolt amps. That's just horrible. 0.56 kilowatts, which is basically 560 watts. Some of these numbers don't really mean anything. The input to the battery. We actually have no solar coming in. It won't actually start charging the battery until it reaches a certain level. That's why I don't like this charge controller. So even though it says, oh, you have 27 volts of solar coming in, but nothing's happening. So until it hits like certain cutoff voltage, it won't even start charging. The output to the battery, from the battery to the inverter, is 24 amps. So to run an air conditioner like this, you're going to pull 24 amps. I just heard the air conditioner click off. It's now pulling 4 amps. So the air conditioner has reached its thermostat. And so if you were running 12 volts, that 24 amps would be 48. That's a lot of power to draw through. So this is why we use 24 volt battery, because it cuts, you double your voltage and you cut your amps in half. And then this thing actually has a chance of running a little more efficiency. You know, the higher the voltage, the lower the amperage, the more efficient you can actually run. You know, because the drop on, you know, wire over a distance is way worse at 12 volts than it is, like, say 24 or 48 or 72, you know, whatever. So anyway, so we got 4 amps there. And now the battery might say, well, it's half full, it's at 27. But that's not necessarily true. It's just, things are not really that accurate. But we don't have anything else hooked to it. You can't set a timer on this one. You really can't get it to do much of anything. And the screen doesn't stay on either. So let me see, where's the load. Output load. So the load right now is basically 90 watts or 0.09 kilowatts. So I'm gonna let it run tonight and see how long it runs for. It'll cycle on and off.